HotMamaTravel!
Hello and welcome to the channel, Hot Mama Travel, and welcome to St. Pete. We are still here. I did not do my intro this morning, so what you're going to see in this vlog today is just a lot of pool and beach time, and now we are enjoying the sunset here on the beach.
Yeah!
Yep.
And Kento's is over here!
So we're having fun, we're taking some pictures, it's really pretty, and then we're gonna go have a late dinner and just keep it really relaxing day at the resort. So hit the like, hit the subscribe, let's get into the video. Okay, after all morning of hanging out with the kids, Grandma and I got our drinks. I got the fun size. I needed this. This is called When Daddy Works All Day and Mommy's Alone with 4 Kids. I need a drink.
If you dip the camera in.
You like the hot tub?
Yeah, if the camera like breaks through, it might go through your TV.
Do you like the hot tub, Claire? Claire, do you like the hot tub?
Yeah, I can.
It's hot, huh?
Yeah.
What are we doing in a hot tub on a hot day?
We're going in on a hot resort.
I think we're gonna go to the beach next.
Yeah, the beach. No.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Let's go to the beach. Whoa, where did he go?
Amanda, those clouds are crazy behind us. Get those.
So, all around us there is thunderstorms in Tampa, but we don't get it here. It stops right before St. Pete. So, this little area here, this little area is pretty protected, but look at what's going on all around
Here,
us.
you want to hold on to me?
Look at this girl just swimming in the ocean.
We
What
don't have
can-
floaties on.
Good job, Claire. You like that?
That was fun.
You want to go again?
Was it fun?
You want me to take her this time?
You want to
Give
go
a break?
Mama?
Okay.
about the Kentos.
Thanks, Kentos. Ooh, yummy. Want to watch Baby Shark? Okay. We're having our last night dinner here. Well, not last night. I don't know why I say that. We have one more night here, but
The ice cream here is good.
it's raining. Listen to it.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, we won't be leaving in the rain.
You like those cherries? Oh, you little cherry stealer. You already had a couple. You had a whole cup. I can't ask for any more, so hold on. She'll be over in a minute. Here you go, Claire. Want more? Ooh, it's so pretty.
She must be because it's happened.
You did pretty accurate.
Welcome to Club Vision. It's where vision scientists come to blow and let loose. Or play with the light. Poor Claire was so excited to be at Club Vision tonight, and now she fell asleep on the way. Poor baby. There's a big storm coming in, so we came to John's Pass, got some souvenirs we wanted, and then we're gonna try and get on the trolley and back to our hotel because the skies are supposed to open today at 5. And we don't want to be trapped in that.
2.5 hours.
Can we do it? You get
I got a rum runner. It comes in a cold cup that changes color.
how fun! Claire, you can't have beer yet. Got your cherry. Yeah, we made it. We made it before the storm back to our hotel, and I was so hot and thirsty that the first thing we needed was a tropical drink. So the kids got ice cream. We got a pina colada, and we're just gonna see if this storm breaks while we're in this cute covered patio of the Flying Bridge.
Yeah! Our final pina colada.
Aww.
We miss you, St. Pete.
Hey, how was your guys' ice cream?
It was good.
I eat
You're
all
so enthusiastic.
of mine. I eat all of mine too.
You ate all of yours?
Yeah, I even drink it.
You even drank it? You were hungry for some ice cream, huh? That was a long day. Listen. You hear that thunder, Claire? Wow. There's lightning.
You guys still doing yeah.
Mentos, do you hear that?
Yes, I do. It's crazy. Let's go away. Let's go further away.
That's what she said. Seems like you might just hear the The storm is super crazy and so loud.
I got hail in my beer.
And it actually hailed. Grandma said it was gonna hail today. I didn't believe her. So I was like, it's 80 degrees, almost, you know, like how is it gonna hail? It's gotta be cold to hail. But it's hailing. It's hailing. There's ice hitting us. Hi, old mama beer. Told right by our beer if it hailed, it hailed. Darn it, she's right again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's St. Pete vlog. If you did, give the video a like, hit the subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.